All right, so now we're going to export this completely torn apart model back into our Unity project. So I've got the whole model torn apart. I unhid everything, so when I turn this file into Mr. Booth, he doesn't have to unhide it for me. It's already turned, to be turned in unhidden. I did save the file. I did a save as and hit my little plus button there, to save my file. And now I want to export this back into my project. So I'm going to click on File, Export, Export. Let me zoom in on this because zooming is caring. All right. So I'm going to click File, Export, Export. And it brings up the export menu here. Let's make that smaller so it all fits here. And it wants to, by default, it wants to export it into 3ds Max's export folder. But I need you guys to put it into your library, in your documents, in your Unity projects folder. I got my Unity Pro. Oops. And then also mine are on this machine are over in my data drive, in my documents, in my Unity Pro, that's where I keep mine. But get to your tank project. There's tanks 6th. That's where I'm doing this. So my tank 6th, my assets, my models folder, and then I will give it the name My Awesome Building. Give it a meaningful name, one you're going to recognize so you know what it's called. I'm going to click Save, and then the FBX export menu pops up. Just click OK. And that basically is it. The model is now exported into Unity. You can go back to Unity now, and I'm pretty sure that I don't have the right project open, but it's picking up on the fact that I did do something here. Now back here in Unity, I'll find that in my models folder, I now have My Awesome Building there. So I can drag that out and just bring it right here and drop it into your hierarchy, and then move the building someplace away from other objects so that you can, start painting it. And as you can see right here, I've actually got my building already there. And what else do you notice about my building, perchance? What else do you notice about my building? Yeah, your dish is going to be rotating too. Yeah, it's a script. You know how many lines the script has? 4. You were off by 2. Yeah, 4 lines, 3 of them variables, 1 line of executable code. That's all there is to it. And you can have a rotating radar dish. All right, that's getting the model in. Now you can go to your materials folder. I have an expectation that you're going to create at least 5 more materials for this project, and you're going to paint that building. I used some of the colors that were already in my project, but I did create more projects. In fact, I made a folder called My Materials in the materials folder just so I could, separate my materials from the materials that were given to me. All right, that's that.